But to try and understand the question, P and Q have this parameter. Our parameter meaning they are on this curve C here. So what I will say is the parameter here, P and C. So just have a mental image. This is P, where this is 3P square 2P cube. Okay, this is 1. This 2P cube. Then you have Q, which is here. Because it has a parameter of Q, so this will be 3Q square 2Q cube. It's Q 3Q square 2Q cube. Okay, so once you're done already, it says that the tangents here, so just draw tangents here, they meet at R. Have this draw, please draw. If you don't understand this one, then you will have a lot of problem. So this R here is very important. So there's a X and Y here. Now take note, this X and Y shouldn't satisfy this equation here, because this R here is not on the curve. So don't sub this in. It's wrong. So just take note of that. Okay, this X and Y we need to find. Okay, hence sum for X coordinate of R. Yeah. So we need to find this X coordinate here. Maybe, yeah, and Y coordinate. Maybe you, to be careful, you can just X subscript R, Y subscript R, just belong to R now. Okay, that will be a good practice now. That's why we use subscript. Okay, then you won't get confused of this X, guys. You don't get confused with this X here and this X here. Okay, so these two X are different. Okay, so I think I'll just do it. So this case here at parameter, so we already have the first one. So at t equals to Q, right? P. Just do this. Just use the previous one. Equation of tangents. There are two parameters here. Equation of tangent, just use this one here. Y equals to QX. So to find equate them. Then you just find the okay. There you go. So difference in cube. So we do long division here. The P square then shown. Now right, just have an idea that now this R here, we already found out what is our XR here lah. So you get this as P square plus PQ plus Q square, right? Now the most sensible thing is to just find what is a YR, right? Because you want to show that given that PQ is -1, show that R lies on this curve. So you can essentially sub this XR in, and this is YR inside here. then you should satisfy the equation. So that's the whole idea there. You can show just like that because you're given the equation. So of course, if you do not want the substitution way, I reckon there will probably be another way to do it, lah. But I'll just show you. Just find YR first. Don't ask any question. Find YR first. So from this case here, hence, YR will just be Q XR, right? QP Q square. So I substitute it into this equation. I substitute it into this one. So maybe I just put this one. Either one is on sub 1 and 2. Then there will be minus Q cube. There you go. This is YR. Okay. Then you just factorize because we're given that given now P times Q is -1. So XR will become P square YR. Okay, there you go. So I think should be quite okay. Since you just need to square and plus 1, so YR square P square plus 2PQ Q square equals to is it +1 or -1? Okay, so I just squared this. Can show lah. So this is XR. So hence okay, this is how I write. But of course, you don't really need to follow what I write lah. Anything that makes sense is fine. Okay, you just keep substituting in.